Okay guys, in today's video we will be checking out how we can trade spikes successfully in the gain X and pain X assets. Okay, we decided to do this today because yesterday we were fortunate to trade the spikes in gain X 1200. Okay, and it was a successful one. You can see it right from here, and I'm going to show you how I'm able to do my analysis to know that this is going to spike for a very long time. Okay, we all benefited from this from the Telegram channel. So if you are not on the Telegram channel, then you guys are missing a lot, because there was a lot of money made yesterday even on this particular asset alone, because this is on 15 minutes time frame. You can imagine coming in right from here till this very moment. This is amazing, guys. And of course, all this happened on 15 minutes time frame, and I will be sharing with you how I came about all the analysis and how I knew it's going to spike for a very long time. And if you are looking for such opportunity, kindly ride along with me in this journey. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Remember, if you have any question at all, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp number. Send message to me and I will be there to reply you. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. This is gain X 1200. I told you that we made a lot of profit from it yesterday within the Telegram channel, just for trading the spikes alone. The spikes actually started from here. Okay, before I showed you yesterday's trading activities. Okay, let me go back a bit. Okay, we started following this trend few days ago when it was on downtrend, and it traded till it got to this support zone. I remember 2 days ago I said it's going to buy right from here, and it's bought, got to the first TP, second TP, and third TP. It didn't go too far before going backward. Okay, so it went back and sold till it got to this support zone. So yesterday morning, when I saw this, I realized that this is actually forming the big W. You can see it right from here, the big W from here to here, and of course from the support region to here, and it came down again till it got to the support zone. And if you should check it out, this is actually forming the big W. So I realized this was going to happen, but first our target should be at this point. Okay, because what if it's not going to break out above this resistance zone? So after realizing that, I just had to wait for the uptrend signal from my indicator. Okay, so just for me to be sure it's not going to break out below this support zone. So I got the uptrend signal. So and of course I jumped into it after getting the uptrend signal. I traded it for a while, and when I noticed that it's going to go very well, so I gave us the signal in the Telegram platform. So what am I trying to say? I have already entered the trade even before I gave the signal in the Telegram platform. And that is the purpose of you having this trading tool. Sometimes when you have the right trading tool, most especially the 3M trend milker trading indicator, you can easily get into the market even before seeing my signal within the Telegram platform. Okay, so because if you should notice, I got the uptrend signal around there, and right here is a buy signal, so which means I can easily come in. So I came in at that particular point, and of course this is where I gave the entry points in the Telegram platform. I gave you guys the entry point in the Telegram platform around there. Meanwhile, I'm already in the market, making a lot of profit even before I gave the signal in the Telegram platform. I had to do that just for me to be sure that this is going to buy more. Okay, so, and of course, once I'm sure of that, I gave you guys the signal. This should be the entry point. Meanwhile, I was already in the market before you guys got into the market. Okay, so when it got to the entry point, it picked the signal, and of course I set the stop loss. Like I've always been telling you, always make sure you set the stop loss. I set the stop loss at the support zone, and of course here should be the entry point, or here was the entry point. And I gave us our first TP, the second TP, which is, you can see at the edge of this, and of course it smashed both TPs easily. When I realized it got to those TPs easily, I gave the third TP immediately, because I realized it's going to break out above this resistance zone. And of course guys, it got there easily. And I also gave us the fourth TP, which happened to be somewhere here, and it also got there easily without any hiccups. Okay, I don't think you realize what I am trying to preach out right here in this video. All these candles are 15-minute candles. You can imagine you getting a spiky trade only on 1 minute time frame. You can imagine how much profit that will give to you, not to talk of 15-minute time frame. Okay, this is so huge guys. We started the trade right from here in the Telegram platform till this very moment. Okay, and of course this gave us a lot of profit at the end of the day, and personally I picked it up from here, and of course till this very end. Okay, so that's so amazing. So that is just the difference. The most important thing is that we are able to make a lot of profit with this trading strategy. What are the things that I actually put into place? Number one, I made sure I followed the trend. Okay, like I've always been saying, the trend trading strategy is one of the best trading strategy which you can apply to any of these assets. Okay, I realized that this actually got to a major support zone, and of course this is a major support zone. There are two things that can happen from there. It is either there is a breakout below the support zone, or a change in the direction of the trend. It didn't break out below the support zone, so definitely it should be a change in direction of the trend, and I had to wait for the trend signal to pop up, and you can see the yellow color. It popped up, and I realized that okay, this is most likely to go on full uptrend right from now. Okay, but I need a confirmation. Okay, what was the confirmation? I checked the market structure. Okay, this is the market structure. You can see this came down till it got to this support zone, wasn't able to break out from there. It went back up, but got to this region and came back again till it got to the same support zone, and still unable to break out from there. So I knew this is giving me the W vibes. That is, it is forming the letter W, and it's going to be a big one because the leg of W got to this region. So definitely this should also get to somewhere here. So that is why I jumped into it. But first, I had to stop at this place first to see if it will break out above it. So when it was able to break out above this, then I jumped into it again, and of course it gave us more profit till it got to this resistance zone. Okay, so that is how amazing it is. So guys, you can see that all the confirmation that I pointed out, you can see that they are in line with the trading indicator, with what the trading indicator is giving to us. Okay, so that is how amazing it is. Okay, so you guys can always take advantage of the opportunities right from here. If you're having the trading tool, always put it into use. Study it very well. You will understand how to put it into a perfect use. If you are not having and you wish to have one, then definitely you can reach out to me on WhatsApp and we can discuss about that. Okay, however, if you can also join the Telegram channel, because if you were on the Telegram channel, you would have also made a lot of profit from this particular asset. Okay, I posted videos, signals on about 4 to 5 assets yesterday, and they all ate their TPs, and that's so amazing. We've been eating it back to back throughout this week, and I'm really happy about that. Congratulations to those of you on the Telegram channel. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. If you love this content and you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, and do not forget to give me thumbs up, and of course give me a beautiful comment down there in the comment section. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.